This model kit review is of the Batmobile from the older movie Batman and Robin, and this is an older kit. It's by a Revell monogram, and it's 1/25th scale. It shows it includes a Batman driving figure. There are the dimensions, and not many colors needed on the black Batmobile. I guess there's the different model that goes along with it. Let's have a look inside and let's see what we have. So I found this kit online, and I wanted to add it to my Batmobile collection. Here we have the chrome parts. We've got those chrome wheels, very chromed out. We've got some, I guess those are part of the front bumper, and then we've got the exposed engine in the front. We'll need to do something with that because that's way too chromed out. There's our chrome steering wheel and chrome exhausts. Okay, actually let's have a look at our body next. It's actually quite nicely molded. Kind of gives you an idea as to the size of the car, and the figure's going to go there. Let's have a look at the rest of the sprues. So here we have the top of the cockpit. There's his seat. So go there with our instruments, and then that's going towards the back. Here we've got our rear wheel arches. Here is our Batman figure, front and back as well as arms. And got some tires. These are vinyl, a little stiff vinyl. And they've even got Batman tread, you can see there. Okay, here we've got these rear wings, and they are quite large, quite significant. We've got the windshield, and not sure what these are, maybe for the headlights in the front. Maybe part of the engine. We'll have to look and see what the instructions show on that one. They usually had some kind of a turbine, but we'll have a look and see. There is the well, there are his legs, and that's the underside of our chassis, and that's probably part of the exhaust area with rear lights. So let's have a look and see here. We've got some decals, a little older, 1997. Okay, some details about the Batmobile. We've got some instructions on the the colors needed. Okay, so that is the front turbine, and that's actually the front grille, not the rear grille. Engine panels go in, then some of the decals there for our instrument panel, putting the rest of the cockpit together, and then painting the chassis, mounting the body, putting on the rear fenders, got the wheels, and didn't have any axles. There's the Batman, and and then putting the rest of the details on the actual body there, the bumpers and the windshield. Here are the wings going on, or they call them fins, and then tail lights. So kind of a simpler model. Should be easy to build, but that'll be a fun one.